And here's how to enable GZIP compression in WordPress website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to Add New Plugin page. And here search for W3 Total Cache. And all you have to need, install and activate W3 Total Cache plugin. Once the plugin successfully activated, in this left-hand menu, here you see this performance option through the plugin. So hover over on this performance and you have to click on browser cache. Once you are in this browser cache settings page, here under general settings, scroll down and here you will find this enable http GZIP compression option. So all you have to need, just check this box to enable GZIP for your WordPress website. Now once you checked, if you want, you can also enable http broadly compression. Now click on save settings and you have successfully enabled GZIP compression.